Good morning everyone, my name is Cl-9 and her name is Mahima N. Today we came over here to show us our topic, the first law of motion. I request Mahima to tell about the first law of motion and law of inertia.
Good morning everyone. So I'm here in front of you all to share my perspective about the first law of motion. So, the first law of motion, also known as inertia. So the first question arises that what is inertia? So inertia is the property of an object which resists any changes in the state of motion. So what does the first law of motion state? So the first law of motion states that when an object is in motion, it wanted to remain in motion, and when the object is in rest, it wanted to remain in rest until and unless no external unbalanced force is applied. There are three types of inertia. So the first is inertia of rest, inertia of direction, and inertia of motion. So I request brother others to explain the rest of the inertia.
There are three types of inertia. Inertia of rest. It is the tendency of an object to continue on its state of rest. Inertia of direction. Inertia of rest. It is a tendency of an object to the direction of an motion. Inertia of a motion. It is a tendency of an object to change, to continue. It is a tendency of an same speed in a straight line. So there are three types of example of inertia. In first, we can see a driver driving a car and suddenly he appears the brake and he goes forward because of first law of motion. First law of motion stated when object is in rest, it wants to be in rest. When an object is in motion, it wants to be in motion. The driver was in motion with the car. When the car stops suddenly, the body goes forward because it was in motion. So now it wants to be in motion. Because of that, it goes forward. In second example, we can see a car, a bus, object on a bus. Why? Bus.
Problem.